Hello, welcome to a video of Airlux Media YouTube channel. The Boeing Company is an American multinational corporation that designs, manufactures, and sells airplanes, rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, telecommunications equipment, and missiles worldwide. The company also provides leasing and product support services. Boeing is among the largest global aerospace manufacturers. It is the second largest defense contractor in the world based on 2018 revenue, and is the largest exporter in the United States by dollar value. Boeing stock is included in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Boeing is incorporated in Delaware. Boeing was founded by William Boeing in Seattle, Washington on July 15, 1916. The present corporation is the result of the merger of Boeing with McDonnell Douglas on August 1, 1997. Then Chairman and CEO of Boeing, Philip M. Condit, assumed those roles in the combined company, while Harry Stonecipher, former CEO of McDonnell Douglas, became president and COO. The Boeing Company has its corporate headquarters in Chicago, Illinois. Boeing is organized into 5 primary divisions: Boeing Commercial Airplanes, BCA, Boeing Defense, Space and Security, BDS, Engineering, Operations and Technology, Boeing Capital, and Boeing Shared Services Group. In 2019, Boeing recorded $76.6 billion in sales. Boeing is ranked 40th on the Fortune magazine Fortune 500 list 2019, and ranked 121th on the Fortune Global 500 list 2020. In 2019, Boeing's global reputation, commercial business, and financial rating suffered after the 737 MAX was grounded worldwide following 2 fatal crashes in late 2018 and early 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Video producer, Airlux Media YouTube channel.